Hi, I'm Jama and I'm from the Philippines. I'm a customer service team leader here in Elementor. I've been with Elementor for 2 years now, and before, I was also a team leader for a BPO company for 8 years. My day-to-day is about check-ins with my team, handling tickets, and of course, making sure that the customer service team's issues are resolved. That I'm an open person and I'm easy to go with. One of my customers wanted to upgrade a service of his old nanny, which took care of him when he was young. When I called the nanny, she was very happy that her services were upgraded, and I'm really happy as well to have assisted her. For a support conversation to be more effective, we need to be more personalized, give power words, and of course, empathize.